whatever happens for good. Is it really true? Let's see with a real life example. First I'm going to tell you a real life example of my family. One time my father had a tooth pain. He had been suffering for a long time. I told him you had to go a dentist. So one day he went to dentist. His dentist is nearby the Mangla bookstore. So when he went to the dentist, he started to look at him. So my father was saying, I had a pain here. He just was saying, your teeth would be pulled out. I have seen all things, but he kept saying, no, one time you had to see what is the problem. Without saying, you cannot say teeth would be pulled out. So he was not ready to listen anything. So their conversation was going on, and the doctor got angry, and he said, you go to somewhere else and you get your teeth treatment. So my father went to the another dentist. I forgot name, but Anand dentist. So when he went to his office, doctor office, he saw him very carefully, and he saw each and everything, and he said, you don't need to pull out your teeth at all. And he gave some medicine and applied some kind of medicine on his teeth, and he prescribed some medicine and gave a toothbrush and something. He strictly followed his prescription, and within a few days he got totally relief, and this way his teeth is saved now. So when I was after listening all of this, I was wondering, whatever happens for good, but we have to understand it is really true or not, when it could be good or bad. Now I am going to tell you other story. It is about a family is living rented in my means our city. So one day he had two children and mother and father. One day their father died in Corona time. So they had two children. One child was mentally, so he got him treated from far away, and somehow he got well. So his condition is okay, but he was not able to work hard and able to earn money. And their second child was also very weak. Means both child are not able to work any kind of work. They are too weak to work any kind. So and their mother do every their mother used to do every kind of household work, getting vegetable, washing clothes, all kind of all works were taken care by their mother. One day his mother got a disease, and he was treating his disease in the government hospital, but his condition was serious day by his condition was making serious day by day, and it was a long time when it comes she had a jaundice, and it became serious until he saw to another doctor. Due to this, their mother also died. These things, now both child are alone. There is no one to see him and take care of him. I can't imagine imagine they are not able to work anything in their life, how they have been suffering in the today's world. So I am not able to say it is a good or things, but I can say only one thing, until and unless we learn from our experience, no matter it is a good or bad. First we have to understand and learn everything from our experience. If we got something from our bad experience good, then we always say whatever happens for good, but we never say if we got nothing good from bad experience. No one say it is a good. So we have to understand one thing. Without understanding anything, no motive is gonna to work in our life. So we have to understand everything, and we have to clear our mind what is the right and what is the wrong. We cannot say everything happens for good. It is always bad until you learn from your experience. When you learn from your experience, then it will be good in your future. So thank you so much.